Now listen, try to solve this question. Okay, so the question is d by dx of e power x log x plus x power 8 sin x. Okay, here if you have understood, you will have to do product rule twice to get the answer. This is the clue. Now start solving and give me the answer. The question is d by dx of e power x log x.
E power x will be e power x only, no, here. Or we have to
power
do
x.
AB also. AB wala thing.
You will have to do AB because e power x is a function of x. We'll have to do AB.
Okay.
If it's a function of x, we'll have to use product rule. Okay. It will be a big answer. That is right.
Yes,
I'll try to do it on this small screen, how much ever I can, till I get the
I did it.
Oh my god. You don't need to give me the answer, Lavnish and Nikhil. Just tell me done. A lot of typing otherwise, right? But correct, Lavnish, Nikhil, correct. I'll give every one of you at least 30 to 1 minute more. That is 30 seconds to 1 minute more. And then I will show it to you. Now, this is a combination of addition plus product rule. Okay, time up. Now listen. This problem can be solved by splitting it. So I will get e by dx of e power x log x plus e by dx of x power 8 sin x. So this is the first step you guys should know. Everyone got this much. I split the problem into two parts. Now, if you notice, the first part I'll have to apply product rule here, and the second part also have to apply product rule here, and then finally I have to add. So let me do the first part. Now, e power x log x. So I'll just directly write the answer. Okay, tell me if you're understanding. First term as it is, which is e power x, into differentiation of the second term, which is 1 by x, plus second term as it is, which is log x, and differentiation of the first term is e power x. So this is the product rule applied to the first part. That is first term into differentiation of second plus second term into differentiation of first. Plus, now start applying product rule to the next set, that is x power 8 into sin x. Differentiation of x power 8, I don't have to do. I have to write the first term as it is. And differentiation of sin x is cos x. plus second term as it is, which is sine x, and differentiation of x power 8 will be 8 into x power 7. Now tell me if you are getting this answer. You can take e power x common in the first two terms. You can take x power 7 common in the second two terms, but whatever, this would be your answer. Now I can safely remove this bracket because there is no negative sign. So these are the four terms that you will get. This is the 1 minute. This is the first term, second term, third term, and the fourth term. Okay, first two terms belong to the first product rule, and second two terms belong to the second product rule. Tell me any doubt in this, or should I explain again? I hope everyone has got the same answer. You can simplify it further, that is up to you. But this is the most basic answer everyone is supposed to get. This is the most basic answer everyone is supposed to get. Clear? Okay. So now I will give you one more. With that, we complete our product. Okay, there should not be any confusion in the product code. Now let me increase the complexity again by going 3 times, but not exactly 3 times. That you will come to know once you look at the question. So the question is d by dx of 7x power 8 plus x power 8 log x plus 6 sine x. Stuck. Okay, time up. Time up. Okay, now listen. Again, this term I can split it into d1. I can split it into d by dx of 7x power 8 plus d by dx of x power 8 log x plus d by dx of 6 sine x. Now, if you have understood differentiation properly, you will have understood that we need to apply product rule only once in this particular case. So tell me if you have used the same logic, used product rule only once. Have you done that? Correct? So we will go one by one. Correct? If you have used product rule more than once, that means you have made a mistake or you're wrong. Okay? Now, 7x power 8, 7 as it is. Differentiation of x power 8 is 8 into x power 7. 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. Therefore, 7 into 8 is 56x power 7. This is the answer for the first term. Tell me if you're getting this answer correct. Correct? 56 into x power 7. Now, this is your first answer. Now, correct? So, plus. Now, let me apply product rule to this. X power 8 into log x. So, let me apply product rule. So, first term as it is, x power 8 into differentiation of log x is 1 by x, plus second term as it is, which is log x, into differentiation of x power 8 will be 8 into x power 7. Now, this is your answer for the second one. You can simplify it further. 1x and x power 8 will cancel, which will make it x power 7. So you will get the answer as x power 7 plus log x into 8x power 7. If you want, you can take x power 7 common from both, or no need. Okay. Plus 6 as it is. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. This is your answer. Tell me how many of you are getting the right answer for this particular. Okay, perfect. Any doubt in product rule? Now, again, I'll ask you the same question. Do you need more examples on product rule, or are you good to go? Can we go to the next one, which is the quotient rule? Tell me, all of you, whether you have understood. Okay, more or next? Tell me. Good to go. Okay, I think majority of you are saying good to go. Perfect. Okay, so I will start with quotient rule. Now, like I decided, one more small break and then we'll start with quotient rule. Come back fresh. Almost 3:30. So 3:40, we will start with our final session with our quotient rule. And as soon as we complete quotient rule, we will stop for today. Okay, so 3:40, come back to the same link. Okay, thank you.